The Su-57 Felon sucks, and the reason is obvious. For starters, the engines are kind of the same with the aircraft it's designed to replace, the Su-35. Despite that the project started in 2001 with expectations of entering service in 2016, we have just a few in service today. It falls short of being a true fifth-generation fighter, lacking advanced capabilities found in competitors like the F-22 Raptor or F-35 Lightning II. And it falls short of the stealthy characteristics exhibited by other fifth-generation fighters.